Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, Subject Reasoning, Chapter 3. Name of the chapter is Coding Decoding, and this is our lecture 1. When we convert a piece of information into a code, it is called coding. Okay? While the activity of converting from a code into text is called decoding. It means हमें कोई इंफॉर्मेशन एक कोड की फॉर्म में गिवन होता है, दैट इज नोन एज कोडिंग. और उस कोड के अकॉर्डिंग जब हम अपने मिसिंग टर्म को फाइंड आउट करते हैं, कोड को हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेक्स्ट. दिस इज नोन एज डिकोडिंग. Let's see the examples. Let's start with the examples. First example, if chair is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rent is written as 5, 6, 7, 8, and then rear is written as dash. Now look here. Chair, CHAIR, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rent, RENT, and code is 5, 6, 7, 8. For A, we are getting 3. Okay. And for R, code is 5. And for E, the code given is 6. Now we have to find out how we will write down rear. This answer we have to find out. Rear. R is 5. E, A, and R. So our answer will be 5, 6, 3, 5. 5, 6, 3, 5. The option A is correct. Now look here. The second example. In a certain code language, easy is written as 511925. What would be the code for car? Now let's see how the arrangement is given. Look here. E, 5, A, 1, 5, 1, S, 19, Y, 25. Got it? Now we have to find out the answer for car. C, 3. Write down. A, 1. R, 18. So our answer will be 3118. And it is option B. Understood? Now let's move to homework questions. Class 5th. Chapter 3 we are doing in reasoning, coding decoding, lecture number 1. Homework questions. First question, if terminator in certain code is written as 25697348286, okay, then how do you write monitor? Now you have to find out the rule and after that find this answer. Okay, options are given A, B, C and D. Take the correct option. Question number 2. If chair is written as 39675 and nose is written as 2148, then how do you code rain? Now again you have to find out the code for the alphabets and then find the answer for rain. 4 options are given. Option A, B, C and D. Question number 3. If lesson is written as 543321 and garden as 867941, then how do you write dragon? Option A, B, C and D. 4 options are given. You have to find out the correct option. Choose the correct option and put tick mark. Now question number 4. If Bihar is written as 68745 and Pune is written as 2139, then how do you write Raipur? Okay, 4 options are given. Choose the correct option. Question number 5. If 7 is written as 68482 and 8 is written as 87531, then how do you write 9? Option A, B, C and D. 4 options are there and you have to tick the correct option. Now we will do homework discussion of chapter 2, lecture 1. Name of the chapter is alphabet series. Okay. Look here, question number 1 was given to you. AB1, CD2, EF3 and dash. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is option B. Question number 2. Z26, Y25, X24. Now see, X, Y, Z. Z is at 26th place in alphabet series. Y25, X24. X, Y, Z. So here it will be W. 26, 25, 24, 23. 23 is the position of W in alphabet series. So our answer is option A. From here you can observe W is at 23rd place. Or got it? Now question number 3. 1J2, 3K4, 5L6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. JKLM. So our answer will be option C. Got it? Question number 4. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3. D, 4, E, 5, F, 6. So, alphabets and then their position. First position is of A, second of B, third position is of C. In this way it is written. A, B, C, D, E, F and now G, H, I. Option C. It is correct. Last question. Question number 5. CD5, FG8, IJ11. CDE. E की जगह बेटा उसकी पोजीशन उसका प्लेस 5 है वहाँ वो लिखा हुआ है. Let me show you. Look here. C, D and then E की जगह क्या लिख दिया? नंबर लिख दिया 5. 5th प्लेस पे है ना. नेक्स्ट इज FG. FG 8. IJ 11. Now it will next will be LM 14. LM 14. Option A. Got it? I hope you have got all the answers correct. 1B, 2A, 3C, 4C and 5th A. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.